Hi, this is a very brief video just to showcase how we moderate and retime runs on cards. We're getting a second moderator now, so this is not just for transparency but also instruction. And I'm taking the opportunity to record this video now because we just got 3 new runs. So I'm going to go through 2 of them and leave the third one as an exercise. We'll probably not be getting any more moderators because the game is pretty small for now, but maybe in the future this video can be useful to more people as well. So once you're added as moderator, this button is where you're going to see any new runs that get submitted. Clicking on it, we see that J-King of J-King fame has submitted 3 runs. So let's start by checking out this first one. The rules are very simple in each category. So everything you go through is like basically just retiming the
30
runs.
second.
For example, this run is pure war, and as we can see in the category rules, pure war means playing no orders. So if we fast forward 5 seconds at a time, we can very quickly see that no order was played. So this is a valid run, right? Very easy to check. Pure war means no orders. Lonely war means no ally nation. Um, Singleton means no duplicate cards, stuff like that. So since 90% of the run moderating business is actually retiming the run, how do we do this? Used to be a pain in the ass, but it's a little bit easier with the new UI. So as we can see, I'm using, in case you don't know, period and comma to fast forward and rewind 1 frame at a time. And we are looking for the first frame where the button turns this dark gray, because this is the first frame when the player clicks the confirm button, right here. So I'm going to right click. In English, this would say copy the debug information. It's a little bug icon. So I'm going to copy this. I'm going to go into this website, and if you don't need to copy the URL from this video. I will show you how to always find this website. This is a frame video retimer. Click here on starting frame and paste. This is all the information we copied from this frame. Also make sure the frame rate is correct. This video is recorded in 60 FPS, I believe. And if you need to check, just right click stats for nerds, which is the lowest bottom right here. So as we can see, this is a 30 FPS video. So not 60, 30. I have fixed that. All right. And so far, runs are not strict enough that we cannot accept 30 frames. Like this is absolutely fine. 30 FPS, I mean. So the run begins in the first frame where the confirm button is pressed. It ends in the first frame where this victory UI shows up. But that doesn't mean the first frame where it like slams into the screen and ends its animation. It actually means the first frame where we can see anything at all, which means this frame right here. Right click, copy debug info, paste it in the ending frame. Once you have the frame rate and the video start and end points, we click compute. Tells us that this run has 40 seconds and 100 milliseconds. We're going to copy mod message to clipboard. I'm going to click over here, not click on verify, but click over here, edit run, before I click on verify. And I'm going to add the milliseconds in. So 40 seconds, 100 milliseconds. And I could also change the seconds if there was anything wrong with this timer. And over here in the description, we do not erase the whatever description the player wrote, we keep it. But over here, we paste the mod message. And every single mod message will have this URL which we are using, the video retimer, pasted in it. So it's always very easy to check. And automatically verify run, because otherwise you need to go back to it and verify after editing it. So this run is verified. Um, I always leave this mod message not just for moderator convenience, but also for transparency. If players ever think there's anything wrong, they can check for themselves that like we are starting on the frame we are supposed to start in, we are ending in the frame we're supposed to end in, and so on and so forth. So this run is approved. We have a new world record in training Japan Pure War. Very easy. So I'm quickly going to go through another one just so we can see quickly how to do these things. I'm going to come over here to the frame rate timer. I'm just going to refresh the page. Just to delete everything, make sure it's zeroed out. And I'm going to right click, stats for nerds. Yeah, it's a 30 FPS video, so that's the first thing I'm going to do this time. And then I'm going to go to the precise frame where, right here, where the confirm button is first turning gray, copy debug info, paste on starting frame, go to the end of the run, right here. So rewind until, yeah, right here, first frame where anything shows up, paste. Compute time, this is a 28-second run. Copy the mod message, okay. 3 dots, edit run, paste the mod message, add in his milliseconds, 500 ms, and verify this. Oh, actually, I forgot to actually check the run itself, right? So I'm not going to automatically verify. I'm going to update. This is nice because this way I get to show you the other way, which is when we don't auto update. This is Pauper. Pauper basically means you cannot play special or elite cards. Quickly fast forwarding. Like he has played standard, this is a standard card, standard card. Yeah, he never played any Pauper, so this is a correct run. Going back up here, Training Japan Pauper. Oh, accidentally clicked in the category instead of clicking on the run. So I'm going to click over here, verify, and the run is verified. So I think this video is maybe a little confusing because no rehearsal, no script. But please let me know if there's any questions. I'm gonna leave this last category as an exercise for the viewer. If you wanna check it, standard, so no special rules, just retiming it. And yeah, that's it. Good luck. I'm gonna add you as moderator, and you can try and time this. And I'm sure there won't be any problems because it's super easy. Like this is not Super Mario 64.